Good morning, everyone. Welcome to weigh-in number 2 on the 5-in-1 Optavia plan. This is week 2 for me. Started the day off really nicely with my cup of coffee and my hot chocolate. I have this every single morning. It's my absolute favorite. As the morning progressed, I started to not feel so well, so you're not going to see me today. But I am going to just show you what I had for my lean and green. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I post all kinds of things there, and I did post this earlier. This is the Big Mac in a bowl. 3 servings of romaine lettuce, 5 ounces of 96% lean ground beef, saving one of the ounces for an additional cheddar cheese as my protein. I've got some sesame seeds in here, some dill pickle, and I use the light ranch as my healthy fat. So this was delicious, as most of you have wrote on my Instagram how much you love this. I could eat this every day. So let's move on to the weigh-in. It was a fabulous, fabulous week, and I had another loss. As you can see, this week I lost 1.1 pounds. I do have stars covering my weight. I'm not ready to disclose it at this time. I hope you all understand. Making this week another successful week. I had said last week that I wanted to lose between 1 and 2 pounds. I did have a little bit of exercise upping the ante this week, which was exciting. And I still had a loss. And yesterday I had a meal with a little bit of soy sauce in it. So I'm sure that I was retaining a little bit of water, but still, guys, it's over a pound, 1.1. And I am steadily losing. So I'm really back in the game and having a ball with this. I absolutely love being back on program. And no, I'm not coaching for those asking, but I do have some really good coaches to recommend if anybody needs one. I don't get any kickbacks. All right, so here, week 2, my total since starting, 3.4 pounds. Again, 1.1 loss this week. And I hope you enjoyed my weigh-in day. I'm going to lay down, you guys. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.